Good morning, Puppy Pandas.
This is Addison.
And Chase.
We have a few special days to tell you about today.
That's right. Today is World Kindness Day. Let's do something kind for at least one person today.
You should help someone in your classroom or on your bus. Or say something nice like, "That's a pretty shirt you have on," or "That's a cool hat you're wearing."
Tomorrow is National Seatbelt Day. Hopefully everyone wears a seatbelt while riding in the car. It's a safe and easy thing to do.
I always wear my seatbelt. Tomorrow is National Pickle Day. Yum! Do you like pickles, Chase?
I have decided to like pickles for today. If you get the chance to eat a pickle or two today, celebrate National Pickle Day.
One more national day is happening tomorrow. It's National Family PJ Day.
Maybe I'll have to wear my pajamas all day and have my family join me.
Yes! We're signing off from the PNN News. Have a fantastic Friday, Puppy Pandas. Let's all stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.